Are you ready to begin your next chapter in abstract art? My next workshop, Intro to Textures, is about to open for registration. Comment waitlist if you want in on this. Together, we are going to explore the world of texture abstract art. And you don't need any experience to do this. Just come with an open spirit, willingness to have fun and learn. Together, we'll explore different texture mediums, organic textures, and even non-traditional textures. You'll see how I go about experimenting and incorporating them into my art, what I bring in, how I decide what to leave out, all of that. You'll get my written notes on my process that you get to keep as your framework. And I know that going forward, it will help you shape confidently your own path to creating abstract art. You'll take what works for you and leave what doesn't, and feel so much more confident in how to do it all. When you think about it, who better to create art for your home that you love than yourself? I mean, nobody knows your inner soul and spirit better than you. So doesn't it make sense that you be the one that create art for your own home? And let me leave you with this one last thought. When we create something that we love, like our personal space, to the ambiance that we love, and we put beautiful art in that space, that's an incredible feeling. But wouldn't it be even more impactful and beautiful knowing that that beautiful piece of art was made with our own hands, that speaks authentically and personally to our own soul in a way that no one else can? That is the power of what you can create with your own abstract art.